Hey guys, it's me, Different Gallery, the Dream Prince, and today I'm playing, why did I say I'm playing? Well, this is, going to be season 2 of Toy Tale. It's a show where a bunch of toys, I don't know. I haven't even made season 1 yet. I just wanted to make this video. So this is just Hornet and Ghost. I don't know. Let me get that off. I was playing Piggy, but I'm not anymore. So I'm a 9-year-old. I'm a 9-year-old child. So yeah. That's not a character in the show yet. He will be important later. So go away. Also, this is not my house. This is a hotel or something. It's a motel. It's a motel, I think. I don't even know what this is. But it's a lot like a hotel, except there's not floors. It's just a bunch of houses. Kind of like cabins. Hornet. What? I'm scared. Why? Because I don't know what to do. And I'm bored, and I hear a noise. It's scary. There's nothing to be afraid of, Ghost. Alright, let's go up, little ghost. Also, my voice will sound weird. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let me take a picture real quick. No, wait, no. Wrong thing. Alright. Oh, sorry. I'm getting a little bit bored. So this episode is called Going to a Restaurant. The reason why it's called that is because they're actually going to a restaurant. But the real reason is because when we first went to this hotel thingy, which was yesterday, we went to a restaurant after. So yeah, but they didn't actually go into the restaurant, but they didn't actually go into the restaurant, but we're just gonna. Also, that's where I got that plushie from. So basically, Devin will buy that plushie, but he's not. I got him from an arcade game. Well, not an arcade, but a club game. So, what do you want to play? Piggy! I just want to play Hollow Knight. We should play that. You're right. Why are we just sitting around and not doing Hollow Knight? That's the best. We need to play Hollow Knight. Yeah, Hollow Knight is cool. And if you think Hollow Knight is bad, you are stupid. Wait, what if they don't even know what Hollow Knight is? You're right, they probably don't. Well, Hollow Knight is where we are from. We are from that game. That's where we originated from. Anyways, boop. That painting is nice. With boop 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 boom boom. Piggy. Hey, my friend is online. Should you go play with him? Yeah. I'm gonna play Hollow Knight. Move there. Alright, let's play. Maybe they aren't actually going into the restaurant, but the plan to go to a restaurant maybe? I don't know. Hey, huh? It's me, Devin. What are you doing here? I don't know. We need to go to a restaurant. But you just said I don't know. So what do you mean? Well, I lied. Look in my mouth. Dude, that's disgusting. Alright, when are we going to go? Right now. I need to get dressed though. Okay. Oh no, Hornet, I'll save you. Do. Alright, let's start the game and... Wait, I don't exist yet. Goodbye. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Okay, so since I don't know how to edit and since I don't have any materials, you have to pretend. You have to use your imagination with this one. So you're basically gonna have to pretend that this is a restaurant. So yeah. Wow, this is a long video. I'm sorry that's so long. Well, let's go. Well, I guess it's time to go in a claw machine. Alright. I want to play an arcade game. Well, I'll play a basketball, even though I don't really like basketball. I'm a Keymaster. I want to go play that. Boop. What should I play? That racing game. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm done with the basketball game. Mama, what's Keymaster? I don't know. I don't know what Keymaster is either, but I'll go try. Okay, Hornet. Okay, Hornet. I might play with you. Oh, sorry. It's the painting. It's just beautiful. This is after they got back. Yum, yum, yum. That lemonade was so good. Yeah. Okay, well, we just have to find, we need to go, we need to eat our food. What? Darn it, I'm so stupid. Anyways, let's go. It's green and bushy. And that is the end of that episode. Oh wait, but Devin went to a claw machine and he got this character. Yeah, he's gonna be important later on, but for now he's not. So goodbye. Doo-doo. Also, please go watch BFDI on. This is not a sponsor. I just really truly like the show. Also, I think I watched it before I knew it existed. If you don't know what I mean, I think I used to watch it, but then I stopped because I probably was an idiot and forgot the name of the show or like just stopped, but maybe that was another show. But anyways, BFDI is something about these objects battling to win Dream Island, which is the prize. And the show has been going on for 11 years, and it's not stopped. And they're working on Teapot Episode 2, which is basically the 5th season, I think, of the show. So yeah, goodbye.